On the lookout for the latest food trends, Chef Cindi Avila is here with some items you should pick up the next time you're at the grocery store.
I love finding new products at the grocery store. It makes shopping so much fun. Here are some of my favorites that are trending right now. Harnessing the power of peanut butter, Pop Chips introduces their latest snack sensation. Nutter Puffs are popped from non-GMO corn. These crispy puffs are coated in real peanut butter and packed with 5 grams of plant-based protein, creating a snack that is as satisfying as it is sensible. Nutter Puffs deliver the simple joy of peanut butter in every bite. Peanut butter is a staple in nearly 90% of American households. Pop Chips has perfected the delivery of this iconic spread, creating an entirely new way to get your fix. Nutter Puffs are gluten-free, non-GMO, made with real peanut butter and contain 5 grams of protein and only 130 calories per serving. It also comes in a peanut butter and chocolate flavor, which is heavenly. Go to popchips.com for more. One of the other trends I love is easy meal kits. My favorite is from the Fresh Market. The Fresh Market makes it easy to whip up a gourmet dish in 20 minutes or less with their market meal kits. They've done the prepping, planning, and packing for you. All you have to do is pick which kit you like, follow the step-by-step instructions, and enjoy. They have lots of options, including this General Tso's vegetarian stir-fry kit with fresh vegetables and rice. They also have a vegetarian pesto primavera kit with fresh vegetables and pesto sauce that is delicious. Spiralized vegetable noodles are also popular now. And the Fresh Market has some great ones made from zucchini, butternut squash, and more. They pre-prep these in-store daily, and it's a great way to incorporate more vegetables into your recipes without having to spend extra time slicing and dicing. There are also some new creative ravioli options that are a must for your dinner table. I love this Mediterranean eggplant one from the Fresh Market and their porcini mushroom mezzalune. Go to thefreshmarket.com to take a look at more of the amazing foods trending in their stores. Now, one of the top beverage trends that's sure to be a hit of any gathering you have. It's Mix Fusion's new Concord wine, Mix X. Mix X Concord is meant to be chilled, and at 13% alcohol by volume, it's sure to be popular. I love its deep and rewarding Concord notes. It is a strong and sophisticated sipping experience. Just ask superstar Nicki Minaj. She started Mix's amazing line of beverages. Just twist off and enjoy. Go to mixfusions.com for more. Cheers.